So hey there, welcome back to another video of Space Technology YouTube channel. And in this particular video, I'll be reviewing an article by spectrum.ieee.org. That is IEEE Spectrum, and this is the blog site. So basically, I'm just being a fan of these particular space and all that things. So let's review that. So white hat hackers expose Iridium satellite security flaws. So that's the main topic of our particular video. So white hat hackers expose Iridium satellite security flaws. Users' locations and text can be intercepted, including DoD employees. So, anyways, let's dive into it. But yes, if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel and like this video so you never miss any of the updates that is being uploaded on this particular channel. Anyways, Iridium was the first commercial satellite communications service, and its legacy systems still allow for some security gaps, as white hat hackers recently revealed. This is the original photos by SpaceX, National Air and Space Museum. But yes, I'll go for the thing. Let's dive into a deeper conversation. In a recent demonstration, German white hat hackers showed how to intercept text messages sent via the US satellite communication systems Iridium and locate users with an accuracy of about 4 kilometers. The two hackers, known publicly only under the nicknames Seg and Schneider, made the revelations during a presentation at the Chaos Communication Congress in late December in Hamburg, Germany. During the talk, they highlighted severe vulnerabilities in services that tens of all thousands of users from the US Department of Defense rely on. Although the DoD uses a secure gateway to route and encrypt its traffic, the hackers were able to see which devices were connecting via the DoD pathway. That allowed the DoD to identify and locate DoD users with an accuracy of about 4 kilometers using a home assembled eavesdropping kit. Considering a commercially available Iridium antenna, a software defined radio receiver, and a basic computer such as the Intel N100 mobile CPU or the Raspberry Pi mini computer. We see devices that register with the DoD Service Center, and then we can find their positions from these registrations. Sec said during the talk, you don't have to see the communication from the actual phone to the network. You just see the network's answer with the position, and you can then map where all the registered devices are. Iridium's legacy components still cause problems. The Iridium constellation, first deployed in the late 1990s, is made up of 66 satellites dispersed across six orbital planes, roughly 870 kilometers above Earth. The constellation, the first to have provided global commercial satellite communication services, supports satellite telephony and connects pagers, emergency beacons, and Internet of Things (IoT) devices all over the world. Out of Iridium's 2.3 million subscribers, 145K, 1,45,000 are United States nationals. US government's customers actually. Iridium receivers are also frequently used by the vessels at sea and by aircraft pilots. Used by the vessels at sea by aircraft pilots exchanging information with other airplanes as well. So back then, encryption was not something on everyone's mind. Sek said during the presentation, all the first generation Iridium all the first generation Iridium data is encrypted. In response to a request of a comment, a spokesperson from Iridium says this is old news. The DoD and others encrypt their communications over our network, which addresses the issues related to network and all that. This is old news. The DoD and others encrypt their communications over our network, which address the issues this article raises. This there is a reason the DoD continues to be such a big customer, and we expect that to continue well into the future as well. So we have always allowed others to encrypt their traffic over our network. Our commercial partners have been doing it same for decades. When and where the markets request it, Iridium replaced the first generation fleet with more secure satellites, the second generation Next constellation. between 2017 and 2019. But according to satellite and telecommunications industry analyst Kristen von der Pop, it's like Kristen von der Rop, many Iridium devices in use today, including civilian satellite phones, still rely on the first generation Iridium radio protocol that was no encryption. The regular satellite phones that rely still operate under the old legacy protocol, says Von der Ropp. If you buy a brand new civilian Iridium phone, it still operates using the 30-year-old radio protocol. And it is subject to the same vulnerability. You can intercept everything. You can listen to the voice calls. You can send. You can read SMS. Absolutely everything out of the box. It's a total unsecure service. So I guess that was it for this particular video. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and share this video with the ones those are interested in aerospace technology. So we'll meet in the next video. That was it for this one.